This is a wireless charging plate. Most wireless charging plates are circular and look something like this. Some look like your regular phone stands. And how to use them? First, you have to connect the charging plate to a power source. That's it, connected. Then you connect this to a charger and plug it into the wall socket, a power bank, a power outlet, your solar charging, whatever. And to use it, you get a phone that has wireless charging and you simply place it there and it starts charging. You pick it up to use it, it stops charging, you place it there, it charges. If you're getting a wireless charger that looks like a stand, like this, simply place your phone there, it starts charging. You take it off, it stops charging. That's it. Using a wireless charger is as simple as this. There's nothing complicated about it. There's nothing difficult about it. Let me know if you found this helpful. I'll see you in my next video.